I just want to make this video to help somebody avoid getting scammed during the Forex market. Understand that Forex itself is a trading opportunity. It is a market like stocks, but it's involved with currencies. So when you actually jump into Forex, you are pretty much trying to figure out how to trade on your own. So knowing that you can actually trade from your phone or computer and actually build a profit on your own. Like right now, I'm projecting like a buy here. It's like $54 on a trade, an extra 34 or whatever. Depending on the opportunity that you actually see for yourself, you're actually providing it. But the other part about trading is the people within the industry. Not everyone is as honest as they seem. So the best thing I can actually recommend to you is, unless you're like paying for some type of mentorship, just don't blow your money on anyone. Because I've actually seen multiple people actually lose money for trying to actually get people to trade for them. That's the number one scam out there, trying to get somebody who could just honestly just give you the signals to trade for you. Nobody is going to manage your account for you. You need to learn this thing on your own. Some people, honestly, it's kind of lazy too. Not to insult anyone, but if you want a better opportunity for yourself, it is best to focus on the knowledge. If you give yourself the same knowledge that the guy who's trying to teach you has, then you feed yourself for life. So I say this: don't focus on trying to get somebody to make you money now, immediately, by trading for you, because that is risky as hell. Because I mean, never see a dime of that again. And actually invest in education. If they're willing to teach you, that's even better. Take advantage of the teachings. If they give you a signal, hey, that kills the point in you having to send them money to trade with anyways. Honestly, most people aren't even going to do that to begin with. And so if you can make money on your own, you're in the clear anyways. And mentors are more legit. Come on, just to be honest. But at the same time, I would say there are trading services out there that are completely fake. You definitely have to pay attention to who you're dealing with. Even the advertisements are kind of pretty obvious. Like, the beginning of this year, it's 2019, I actually saw a company out there that was, I forgot the name of the company, but they was claiming to make $1 million. They just put lot after lot. Like, I think there was like a $10 lot. So they put that lot out, pretty much stating that they was making over $1 million just from their trades, and they was replaying that trade over and over and over again. But the problem was, when they was trying to say that it was a live account, you would notice that there's a slight lag when they're actually sliding it over. So it says to me that it was actually fake when they was trying to show you a slight lag, and actually what they actually did was actually freeze it, like pause the video and actually show you what they wanted you to see, so you would actually try to buy it in hopes that some stuff would actually buy into this company. There are situations like that. There are situations where people steal other people's signals to trade with, and they're not really successful at trading on their own. There's plenty of that. So, and a lot of the times there are people out there who just sell you trading signals, and yeah, they're not even that profitable to begin with. You're just blowing your account after account for someone that's not even like giving you profitable signals and claiming they're making trades that they're not even really making sometimes. But I would rather invest in education than hope. So why give yourself false hope when there are better opportunities out there for you to actually make money? Your own mind is your own indicator. So take advantage of any source of education that you can actually get. And also, yes, there can be trading signals out there that actually work. There are services out there that might actually work, but understand that if you don't have the right type of education as far as Forex goes anyways, you might not be able to make the signals work to begin with, because you don't know when to actually enter a proper trade. You don't know your patterns, you don't know any form of education or anything as far as trying to enter and exit the market without actually losing any money. So if you're in that kind of position, it's just bad for you. It's just going to keep being bad for you. You're just going to keep losing money. So for anyone looking to trade and avoid getting scammed by somebody, like I said, don't send your money to just anyone. Don't send your money to somebody in hopes that they'll trade for you, because there's always that risk that you'll never get that money back. Invest into education and education alone, or a mentor. If a mentor is going to give you a webinar service or some type of video series, there's nothing wrong with that. A book, there's nothing wrong with books. Education is education. You got to get it from someone. So, but if you have any more questions as far as Forex scams, if you've had a bad experience of your own that you would like to warn somebody about, feel free to comment any of that information below. You can help somebody. And if you felt this video was pretty helpful, go ahead and like, and feel free to subscribe, because I do have a lot of information on this channel as well. My name is Aaron, and have a good one.